Hey y'all, how's everyone doing? Well, I know it's been a hot minute since I filmed, and the reason for that is because I have needed to give full-time care to my dad recently. But we're working out a plan to have more caregivers, and I'm already missing him. But I was also missing my husband and family and home, so. And for some reason I could not upload using my iPhone. I think it just may have too many stuffs in it. So I probably need to kind of clear it out. But anyway, so I have a few things that I will probably be in the same outfit doing different videos. One of them I'll do next after this one is things I've been loving, because they're, especially when you are kind of living on the go, which I have had to do lately, to go to my dad's back and forth. You pack differently, you live differently. And those of you who are caregivers full-time and that person's in your home, what a blessing. I wish my dad would go that route. But also if he even wanted to, he's absolutely forbid it. But even if he wanted to, we do not have a master on the main. So maybe we need to just get into building that master on the main. I don't want to move. But anyway, how y'all doing? Okay, so the thing that I want to talk about today is Westman Atelier. That's the name, Westman Atelier. Okay, here's a prettier version, Westman Atelier, and this is a luxury makeup product. I saw it when I was Instagramming or something, and I think I went to Goop, which is I think Gwyneth Paltrow's shop, and I wasn't really into a lot of the stuff in there. And then I started looking at, some of the natural ingredients, like toothpaste. I think it was called Michael's toothpaste or somebody's toothpaste. I might look into some of that stuff, but I really did like this line of makeup. Very expensive, I'll just warn you. But you can go to westmanatelier.com and see those prices. And I can go through them here. They're ridiculous. And I don't know, I think I just got in a poor pitiful me mood one night and ordered it all. And I really may send some of it back. And the thing I love about it, which makes me like them even more because they're a luxury brand, it says if you receive any products from Westman Atelier online that do not meet your expectations, please return the unused or gently used portion within 30 days of purchase for a full refund. We accept returns free of charge. Here's the email, here's the live chat, here's the website, here's a customer service team. I don't know anybody with that kind of service. It's free of charge, no restocking fee, no return fee, nothing. And I may end up doing that, but I may not. Here's the thing. I know that I will likely, unless I just really, really fall in love with these products, will not order again just because it is the makeup of the stars. After all, I was watching a Gwyneth Paltrow website. She does a lot of all natural, all kinds of junk-free stuff. And, no trafficking of children and no underpaying in trade. So, I mean, she is a fighter for causes, and I don't know, it's the Hollywood thing maybe that I'm just like, meh. But, that's where a lot of good makeup comes out, because they're on TV and they got to cover stuff up. So, anyway, so I have my little trusty makeup cloth here because I am very hot and sweaty. Matter of fact, I'm going to let y'all see the difference with the air conditioner on and off, the sound. How's that sticking? Oh. Okay, it's going to be much more quiet. Okay, so I'm sitting here having my little cup of coffee. Moving to decaf, y'all. I'm trying to get caffeine out of my life. I just don't, I mean, every once in a while it's fine, but I just don't want to have a daily cup of coffee that it's a caffeinated coffee. And one of my favorite Keurig cup caffeine-frees is Krispy Kreme caffeine-free. And maybe I'll do, if y'all are interested, a what is my favorite caffeine-free drinks video. Comment below if you're interested in that. Alright, so, I also just went in, after I took a shower, I really scrubbed my face. I also shaved it with one of these new little shavers, which I will show y'all that. I will do a how-to tutorial if y'all are interested in that, because this peach fuzz on your face definitely affects the way makeup goes on. Also, the way this works is it puts it gets, the first layer of skin cells off. It's basically a razor and a lady version, a little tiny one. And you just, shave down in little strokes, and you'll see all these little fuzzes come off. You have to be careful, but I mean, it's a pretty safely done product. So if y'all are interested in that, comment below. So right now we're going to get into this makeup, and I will tell you what each piece is and whether or not I'm going to keep it. So I have shaved my face, which means I've got dead skin cells. Then I did a hot wash rag to just really open up the pores and just let my face feel free, and just scrubbed it real good. You know, one of the best things to put on your face instead of acids and peels, just a good wash rag, just a good fresh wash rag, hot, and just scrub your skin, get that layer of dead skin cells off. It's not scratchy like some of these products that, you know, they have little scrub stuff in them, like sugar and salt, and those are abrasive to the skin. I think a washcloth. My mother taught me, just get a good hot washcloth and wash your face. She didn't even say use soap. She used to just hold it there and just really get it, and then just really just scrub, just let your face. Now, let it just kind of air out and dry naturally. Now, I have also put on some moisturizer, which I'm going to go into, and a serum. I'll go into the serum as well in another video. But that's what I'm starting with, a clean and moisturized and serumed face. And so what I'm going to start with first is the foundation, and it is called the Vital Skin Foundation Stick. I got it in color Atelier number 2. They come in these beautiful, I mean, this is clearly packaged for the very wealthy, because, I mean, it's aimed, this gal's name is Gucci Westman, and she's aimed at movie stars. So, I mean, you know, it's going to be beautiful packaging, very simplistic, very conscientious about footprint and good for the environment and all that kind of stuff. So, where did I put it? Downtown there. Is that it? Is that baby cheeks, or is that? That's baby cheeks. What did I do? Baby cheeks I like too. Not that one, not that one, not that one. Mascara. I laid out the things that I thought I would keep. Oh, here it is. No, that's not it. I thought I had everything on LAC laid out. There it is. Okay. So this is Gucci Westman's Makeup Westman Atelier Vital Skin Foundation Stick. And of course then they have put it in orange. Her little signature is a little heart with a WA. Alright, so here's the product, and here is the cheek product. So you can see it's very chic, very simple products. And then, hold on, here is the highlighter. I'll just show you that they're very, very, very chic packaging. You see, just very, very simple and chic. Alright, so it is a magnetic closure top. It's just a classy thing instead of unscrew it off. And then it's got silver and brass ring, so it's just very, very elegant. And it is a screw up product like that. And then what I'm going to do is just mainly put it in places where I feel like my skin is a little sticky from using that serum, to be honest. So I'm wondering if this is a fair evaluation of this product. But I'm going to just kind of put it on. To me, it feels a little drying, to be honest. And I'm just going to put it on in places that I know I need coverage. And only there. Right there, a little bit there, of course either there. Not, maybe right there just a little, okay? And that's all. I also am wondering if I might return this. These are just nice little details. On the inside of the cat is an engraving of her name in block lettering, soft block lettering style. That is very classy. That's very classy. This silver ring with the gold ring around it is very classy. This matte coloring is very classy. The it's not even tone on tone, it's engraved. So just to have that sitting on your dressing table, very, very elegant. Okay, so where is my, there it is. I am, instead of using my fingers, I'm going to use a flathead kabuki to just kind of blend this in. And I'm going to go down first. Because that's just like, I like to go down, like downward strokes. I know people say you should do upward strokes. We could do that too. I don't think it makes a bit of difference. People are like, you know, it's going to affect, you know, the skin and gravity. It's like, you're not going to change gravity and its effects. I'm sorry. You're not. As you see, I'm just, that one little splotch that I put right there, I'm just kind of blending it across my forehead. I don't like putting a lot of base on my forehead. I don't even see the point of it. For now, I don't have age spots up there yet. And I want to keep it as wrinkle-free as possible. And so I use moisturizer as thin as possible. And, I mean, that it has some gumption to it, as my mama used to say, but that's all. And all I'm doing is making sure that I have an even canvas to work with. And that is why I'm only kind of spot doing this. And then I've just learned just doing this kind of blends the color more naturally. Go either side of your nose and under your nose. Either side of your nose bone. And you can just go right over your eyelids just to kind of, and then just this. Always drop your jaw and blend down. Especially, I'm not sure if this is the right color for me, to be honest. So we'll see how it looks on video. And by the way, you don't get sun here to here, and so if you have fatty like me, it's good to contour it because it shows up more, but then also people kind of stop right here, and that's where one of your biggest wrinkles is. Always go past it like that. Okay? It's also where you start getting red when you get older, y'all. And also get some of the makeup off your brush. So then we're going to use my little makeup towel that we have sitting beside here, and just in swirling motions like that, I'm wiping this off. This is a cream product, so you always wipe it off, and after a few days you need to actually wash it because it's cream based and it will, I think, hold bacteria much easier. And then I just like a regular paintbrush, just hit it against that. Okay, now the rest of this is cream product. So first and foremost, I'm going to use one of the Baby Cheeks, I think is what this is called. Yeah, Baby Cheeks blush stick, and I got the color Doo Doo. It looks like Dodo, D-O-U.